Venmani, a small village in Idiki district, is a place steeped in history and cultural richness. The region was known for its dense forests, fertile lands, and diverse wildlife. Venmani lies in Alappuzha-Madurai highway, stretches across Kerala's plains and into the hearts of Idukki hills. Connecting towns with the mountain landscapes. This place played a role as a local hub for agricultural activities. With its fertile soil, it supports various crops which includes spices, coffee, cocoa. In its early days, before migration, Venmani was known among local hunters by the name Pambu Chattapara, meaning the rock where the snake died. According to the local lore, a massive python once lived in this forested ridge. One day, it confronted a wild elephant, and in the struggle that followed, both creatures perished on that rock, leaving behind the story that still echoes through the village's past. Venmani's root traced back to the Adivasi Gotra, who first settled in the Manayatadam region, giving the village its earliest cultural identity. The village began to grow in prominence during 1977-78, following the migration of a strong man who had once worked as a ferry operator at Tommakuttu. In Venmani Idukki, there is a prominent church in the name of St. George, a historical landmark known for its peaceful ambience. This stone-built church stands as a traceless witness to the faith, craftsmanship, and the simple beauty of rural life. As a symbol of peace, another church of Zero Malankara rises above the green hills of Idukki, giving the village the faith and harmony. The CSI church rises with a simple elegance, reflecting the faith and unity of community. Another historic spot in Venmani is Paliplav. A place where the Adivasi Gotram lived. The name comes from two trees found in deep forest, the Pali tree and the Plav or jackfruit tree, whose presence together gave the place its unique identity. A temple called Sri Mahadevi Temple is located here, It is an ancient and sacred abode dedicated to the Divine Mother, with history engraved in its traditional Kerala architecture. Venmani, a small village in Idukki, lies peacefully between mountain tops and deep green valleys. Its quiet landscape carrying the untouched beauty of Kerala's high ranges. In the natural atmosphere of Venmani, delicate wildflowers emerge in every season, adding the gentle bursts of beauty to the silent hills. Pepper vines, coffee plants, cocoa trees, and clusters of shell ginger form the backbone of Venmani's agriculture, shaping the village landscape and livelihood. This small town, with its supermarket, hotels, tea shops, hardware stores, and humble grocery shops, forms a gentle hub where the everyday rhythm of village life comes together. The primary tourism highlight here is Varikemuthan Hilltop, a scenic vantage point that offers panoramic views and attract visitors throughout the year. A distinctive feature of Varikemuthan Hilltop is its strong refreshing wind, which adds to the charm and draws travelers to this scene spot. Together, its ancient temples, vibrant agriculture, gentle forests, and the wind-swept heights of Varikemuthan Hilltop make Venmani a quiet yet remarkable corner of Idukki where nature, culture, and community lives in harmony.